There's a hey, United Airlines decided to grant over 600 to coronavirus COVID-19 outbreak. So they're hacking all airplanes and will be grounding over 600 aircraft. Like Boeing, it's like all the Max already grounded. Yeah, they're grounding almost all the aircraft, almost all the cutting. And the Boeing citizen, the fight doing almost grounding almost all the planes because of a coronavirus COVID-19. Grounding Boeing 787s, Boeing 787s, Boeing 787s, Boeing 787s, grounding Boeing 787s, and more. So United Airlines decided to ground over 600 aircraft because of a coronavirus COVID-19 impacting airlines. Grounding said United's group be grounded over 600 aircraft because of a coronavirus COVID-19 spreading. The outbreak of a coronavirus grounding all aircraft because of a coronavirus COVID-19 spreading because of a coronavirus. I'll be grounding almost all the aircraft, grounding over 600 aircraft due to coronavirus. So we'll be converted to freight this. We'll be converted. Space and will be grounded. Cutting domestic and international flights till further notice. There'll be a temporary cut because of a coronavirus COVID-19. All the Max 8 groundings. I'll be grounding almost all the aircraft, leaving the Boeing 777 at leaving Boeing 777. Grounding all aircraft because of coronavirus COVID-19. All aircraft, over 600 aircraft, and also Boeing 777 will be grounded. The A320 will be grounded because of a coronavirus COVID-19. So, United Airlines decided to ground all aircraft and and also may have a major route domestic about 60%, cutting international flights by 30%. But grounding all so United Airlines is already fighting for survival. Cutting flights because of a virus spreading, of an outbreak of a coronavirus. The coronavirus is impacting airways and grounding over 600 aircraft. Due to the outbreak of a coronavirus, United will be grounding over 600 aircraft like a Boeing 787 Dreamliners, Boeing 767s, Boeing 787, Airbus AVJ, Airbus 790, Boeing 787, Ember 1C, Ember 145, and Ember 145, and Ember 130, and Ember 135, and two Bombardiers CGI 700 and CGI 2000. So that's it. Thank you for watching. That's